In 2026, thousands of people are earning money while they sleep, without a traditional 9-to-5 job. No office, no boss, no commuting, just AI-powered income systems running 24/7. The world of making money is changing faster than ever, and those who understand AI today are building digital income machines for tomorrow. In this video, we'll break down why traditional income models are collapsing, how AI income systems actually work, and the top AI income opportunities exploding in 2026. Let's dive in. For decades, the formula was simple. Go to school, get a degree, find a stable job, work 40 years, retire. But in 2026, that model is breaking down. Automation is replacing repetitive jobs. AI tools are outperforming entry-level workers. Remote work is reshaping industries, and inflation is making salaries feel smaller every year. Companies are reducing full-time staff and replacing them with AI systems. The result? Job security is no longer guaranteed. The people winning in 2026 are not trading time for money. They're building systems. So what exactly is an AI income system? An AI income system is a digital setup that uses artificial intelligence to automate content creation, marketing, customer support, product creation, sales funnels. Instead of you doing everything manually, AI handles most of the workload. You build it once, you optimize it, and it runs continuously. It's like building a digital employee that works 24 hours a day. And the best part? You don't need to be a programmer anymore. In 2026, no-code AI tools are making this accessible to everyone. The first booming AI income model in 2026 is AI-powered content automation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and blogs are paying creators billions, but now AI can write scripts, generate thumbnails, create voiceovers, edit videos, optimize SEO. One person can now manage 5 to 10 content channels using AI tools. Faceless YouTube automation channels are exploding. You build a system, AI produces the content. Ads generate revenue. This model scales faster than ever before. The second powerful model is AI-generated digital products. In 2026, creators are using AI to build ebooks, online courses, prompt packs, design templates, automation workflows. AI helps research, structure, design, and even market these products. Once uploaded to platforms like Gumroad or Shopify, these products can generate passive income daily. No inventory, no shipping, no physical office, just digital assets working for you. The third major income rise in 2026 is AI-powered service agencies. Businesses are overwhelmed by AI tools. They don't know which tools to use, how to automate, how to integrate AI. So AI consultants and automation agencies are making serious money. You can build systems for chatbots, email automation, AI marketing funnels, customer support bots. Instead of charging hourly, you charge for transformation, and companies are paying premium prices. Here's the truth. AI is not replacing everyone. It's replacing people who refuse to adapt. In 2026, the biggest income growth belongs to fast learners, digital builders, system thinkers. The barrier to entry has never been lower, but the competition is rising fast. The question is no longer, will AI take jobs? The question is, will you use AI to build income? The rise of AI income systems in 2026 is just the beginning. The early adopters are building digital assets. The late adopters are still debating. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, start learning AI. Start building systems. Start small, but start today. Because in the digital economy, those who automate dominate.